Cale Conley here, partner of Precision Garage Door Service and driver of the 3C Sprint Car. Did you know that Precision only employs full-time people, not subcontractors or third parties? And also, unlike some competitors, our office, warehouse, and people are all right here in the community and just might be a neighbor of yours. Our people are highly trained to perform installations and service work safely, efficiently, and to do it right the first time. We never use used parts, and our vans are fully stocked with the best and highest quality parts in the industry. If you want the best garage door service at a great price, call Precision Garage Door at 412-307-4481 or visit our website, pittsburghgaragedoors.com.